Alright, so here's some more examples of the total absurdity and insanity that I've had to deal with regarding my injury and getting this thing treated. So what we're going to show here are examples of the phone tag and how I was strung along basically by St. Vincent's Primary Care, Northside Medical, located off of Deerfoot Parkway in Trussville, and their collusion with St. Vincent's East Hospital and the other St. Vincent's medical places around Birmingham, Alabama, Ascension Health, and it seems like quite a few of them were involved in this. But, alright, so here we go. These are voicemails. Just to put things in perspective here, my last physical visit in the year 2019 at this location was on August 29th. And I saw Frankie Crum, nurse practitioner there. Now, Mr. Crum, he told me that they were going to get me assistance financially, and they were going to help me get set up with an orthopedic doctor. You know, and this is real funny because, I mean, you know, why couldn't they just come out and tell me what showed up on that MRI that I had done in the same building that they're located in, right? If they couldn't help me, just telling me what was wrong with me or telling me I needed to go somewhere else, they weren't going to help me. So the phone tag and voicemail, it went on for months. This is no lie, and here's the proof. I saved all the voicemails. Now you're going to get to hear them. I got a lot of other stuff too that I'm sitting on. Is going to come out at the appropriate time for the appropriate results. All you bad folks around here that are trying to harass me or try to hurt me, I'm watching you too. So the phone tag went on for months. The first voicemail that I'll share in this video is from October 23rd. Alright, so we go from August 29th, that's my last physical visit at this place. From that point, they're trying to get me financial assistance. Now what they did, they gave me some paperwork that I filled out, and I filled out this paperwork believing it was going to help me to see a doctor, like in the future, from August 29th. Alright, now I went and I filled this out. This was, I was told this is financial assistance through St. Vincent's Hospital. Okay, I filled this stuff out and I was approved, and I fulfilled all these requirements. Okay, when I was approved for this, that's when they sprung it on me that this was not going to help me see a doctor in the future, but was only going to cover past expenditures with St. Vincent's Hospital. And this is a problem for me because Frankie Crum at Northside Medical, he gave me this paperwork, and I filled out this paperwork believing and only believing this was going to help me see a doctor in the future, because I had an injury, a broken skull, and a parasite infection, and this had not been diagnosed. All right, many of the services that St. Vincent's had provided to me up until this point were pretty much useless because they did not diagnose this problem. All right, so I'm at this point, and this is like I'm speaking in 2020. This is June, middle of June. I still don't have a diagnosis that this skull is broken, that there are parasites that infected this thing. Still don't have that in 2020.
This is Jackie calling from Northside Medical. I was calling to let you know that Marsha and Eva with Access to Care have received your paperwork. They also told me to tell you they are shopping it around right now for an ortho and a neurosurgeon with their Access to Care program. They said be on the lookout for either phone numbers that start with either 838. That means they're coming from St. Vincent's East, or they start with 205-939. That means they're coming from St. Vincent's downtown. Again, this is Jackie with Northside Medical, and this is Jackie with Frankie Crom's office. Thank you.